I want to go over two different products with you. Might be a little confusion because they're both called the Bissell CrossWave. Okay, there is a difference. The green one over here, has an electrical cord that you're going to plug in, where the one on the right is battery powered. So you got to charge it up, and it is cordless. Now, before you get too excited, let me just tell you a little bit more about them, what they do. This is basically designed to combine a vacuum cleaner with a mop. They're also rated for different kind of surfaces, so hardwood floors, even an area rug, laminate, tile, a lot of different surfaces, any sealed surface. So they're not like dumping tons of water out, okay? They are mopping and vacuuming simultaneously. So I'm going to demonstrate them in this video. Let me tell you just a little bit about them. The green one is the corded one, and it is a little bit heavier. I would say about the weight of a standard plug-in vacuum cleaner. You can see the brush that comes on these, and the way it is, these brushes can be removed, and after use you're supposed to leave them out to let them dry. It's probably just to help it dry out, not get all nasty before you use it again. It's got an easy to fill container right here, so you're going to put water in here, and it also comes with the solution to use, clean solution, and it's marked. It shows you how much water and how much solution to put in there. And then it has a container down here where the dirty water goes. So as it's cleaning and sucking the water back up, it goes in here, and you can empty that out when you're done. Similar design on this one. Again, this one has a little tray that you set it on to charge it up. And it's got a cord that you can charge it up, because again, this is the battery powered one. I think this one is slightly inferior in the way it cleans. It still does a good job. We've tested them out. Still does a good job. Still cleans, still vacuums, still mops. But I would say the green one's a slightly better, but very similar design. Here's your clear, clean water container with the solution that can go in there as well, and then this is where the dirty water goes. After, same idea, when you're done with it, you want to take this off and let it dry. So let's give it a brief demonstration here, show you my skills. We'll start with the battery power one first. Got an on button here, and then it's got a mode button for low or high. So you turn it on, and I can go, it's low and high, and that has to do with the amount of water that it's putting out. Alright, so again, it's putting out the clean water, sucking up the dirty water, and you can see even some little bit of grass or whatever's in there, some trash that was on the floor. So I mean, you can see your visible results, not only the debris, but also just the dirty water from what it's cleaning. Okay, this one, of course, has a cord and is slightly heavier, but going to work similar. It has a button on the top here for rug, a button for hardwood floor. We're going to go with hard floor. You push it, and then it has a trigger right here. So I'm going to press the trigger to get the water flowing. So I mean, it even sounds like a vacuum cleaner. I mean, it's basically a vacuum cleaner, vacuuming your floor and mopping it at the same time. And again, the dirty water comes down here with the debris and dirty water, and that can be emptied out. I'm very impressed with these. They get good reviews. Check out the reviews. This is a very recognizable, respected brand. Again, I think the corded one to me is a little bit more powerful and cleans a little bit better. But if you want the convenience of cordless, then they have that option as well. But both of them do a good job. I just give a slight edge to the green one as far as cleanability. But I personally don't love dragging around an electric cord either. So hope the video has been helpful in explaining the difference between these two pieces of equipment.